Hey guys, welcome back to the next video. In this video, we are going to see advanced replica creation using match label. Now we're going to use a similar formatted of replica, but then just a little advanced over here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create two containers as part of your replica, and I'm going to add more, add more of your environment, the labels over here. So create advanced one-rs.yaml. I've given the file name over here on the GitHub, so you can actually copy paste it from there. So create this advanced rs. So in here, copy paste whatever you have. It's over there. So I'm just gonna copy paste it. So I'm just copying right now from my GitHub page, and I'm pasting it over here. So this GitHub is very simple one. So what I'm going to do over here is to create a replica set and in the name of multi-container replica set, in which I'm going to create three replicas or which matches the application label in as the the variable or the value should be multi-container. So you can see that my template over here, metadata and label and app multi-container is part of this one, so it will get selected. So what is part of this template is specifications, in which you have containers, which is nginx-container and container port number is 80, and you have busybox container, which is basically a Linux machine, a very stripped up Linux machine. And then you have the sleep command for 3600, because this command, without this command, the particular container will keep on restarting because it would have completed the work, but it wants to maintain the session state, so it will keep on restart, goes for a restart. So that's why we use this command. Save and quit this file. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to first find out what is currently configured. So I'm going to get the rs. So here you can also give white here to get more details. So here you can see that the selector is there. You have the nginx image. So this is nginx container, and this is basically already one which we have installed on a previous video, which is nginx replica. So now I'm going to do kube control apply -f, and then I'm going to give advanced one rs.yaml. Now I'm going to run this command one more time, and then I'm going to run the get pods as well. So now you can see that the container for this is getting created. Sorry, I'm sorry. The pods are being created, and as a part of the pod, containers are being created right now. So as you can see over here, so the new replica set has been created with the name of multi-container replica set with the desired state of 3, and the current state is also 3. And this has just been 2 seconds, and the containers which it is containing, the name of those containers which it's containing is nginx container and busybox container, and the images it's going to contain is over here. And then you can also see that app equal to multi-container, which is basically your term for your selector. So basically it looks for that term as part of your template, and it basically takes care of whatever the containers under it. Now you can see that the pod creation is in progress, and now it should have been completed, and the current state of the pod is running. So you can see right now you have 2 worker nodes and worker 2, you have these 2 of these multi-container nodes are created, and worker 1 has 1. So if you calculate in total, you will see worker 1 has 3 and worker 2 has 3. So it has given the justification of whenever possible, it will make sure that it keeps it leveled. But do remember that there are 2 containers running over here. So if you are creating another 3 containers, there may be 1 extra container running on worker 1, because the load on the worker 2 is much higher, because of it is actually running 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Actually it is running 5 containers when you compare with worker 1 of 1, 2, 3, 4. Only worker 1 is running 4 containers right now. So considering all that load, it will be assigning those servers. Containers. So now that we have finished applying this, let's just verify it with the description of your replica set. I'm just going to give the name of the replica set over here, and you can pretty much see the replica set over here. So this is actually is the configuration of replica set over here. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you on the next one.